And that manufacturing then was interrupted for kind of what duration as you had to deal with this stuff?
Oh, I would say a solid week at least. Probably went into, I would say, 5 consecutive days, because I was here about 15 to 16 hours a day for 7 days. And then after that, still on the following Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we were still dealing with some things. And then within a couple, I would say after 10 days, we were probably, I would say, 90% of being functional.
Okay. That sounds painful then. Plus, I think you told me at one point that you had some data then that had to get rekeyed by some individuals on the team, right?
Correct. Yes.
And obviously you got to pay them. Was that regular time or overtime that you had to compensate some of those?
All of our employees in the office really came to the plate. We ended up doing it during straight time, but there was some catch up time in the shop. Obviously being down for 7 to 10 days, I ended up paying a lot of overtime to get caught up. I would say that overtime lasted for about a month to just get caught up.
Wow.
It was a pretty big hit to try to get caught up. Obviously you have customers that, start making threats of canceling contracts, back charges, all the things you don't want to hear.
Sure.
And they really don't want to hear about your problems. Let's face it. They're not, that's the least of their, they have to run a company and they want material. So I will say this, that our customers, by communicating with them,